my channel. So today's video, since I already did the bathroom, I'm gonna start with the kitchen today. Excuse me guys, I think I'm getting sick. My throat has been hurting, my nose has been stuffy. I don't feel good, but who cares? We are going to do the kitchen. Today I'm just gonna do a deep cleaning, clean the cabinets, clean the walls, because those walls, I don't know why, I just cleaned them not too long ago and they're filthy again. Clean the stove. Pretty much the kitchen is clean, but I'm gonna just deep clean it. Like I said, the cabinets, the counters, the walls. My daughter's father cleaned it the other day and he cleaned it really, really good. I was surprised, but that way we can do that and then put the decorations up. Well, not the decorations, just everything I bought for the kitchen. I am excited. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick overview of what the kitchen looks like now. Yeah, please guys, like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel if you guys like my content. So yeah, let's just get this video started. Okay, so here it is, just a little overview. I actually gotta clean the refrigerator. Just wipe it down. Sorry, got my coffee. That's just gonna be stuff. It's my daughter and my stepdaughter did that. Just probably move everything from there. Just clean, wipe down the stove. These I gotta find boxes or bins to put them in the in my storage. My mom and my grandmother gave me the entire set for Christmas. So I'm definitely gonna save those. Still got my Christmas tree. Oh my god, guys, look. I got this from Target and it was only $3. So I think it's cute to go on my little coffee bar. Yes, I still got Christmas. Don't judge me. I got that. I love my grandmama got me this. I'm just like in love with it. Okay. There isn't that, that much dishes, so I can do that. Microwave. So the main thing I really want to do is just clean the cabinets. Oh, sorry, but the inside of the cabinets because they're filthy. And also, as you can tell, the outside, just wipe them down really good. They seem to be dirty. And then the walls, I know you guys can't tell from here, but right there I definitely can. And then where the trash is, for some odd reason, see, it just always like, ugh, it's just, it's disgusting. So I'm definitely gonna do that. So let's get started, guys. refrigerator. Cabinets, nice and clean. Oh, look how, oh, my wall looks so bare. I took off the paintings out here. I have to clean that little spot. And the same thing, took off the paintings. And it looks so weird that I have to put in boxes, put in the storage, but it looks so plain in here, guys. It looks like I just moved in here, like, oh my God. Crazy. Ooh. Okay guys, I am done. The video may not seem like it's long, but it took me almost an hour and a half to clean that entire kitchen, the cabinets, everything. It was filthy, but my camera ended up dying. The baby was getting restless. So I just didn't want to wait till my camera charged for me to finish cleaning. So I just finished cleaning. You guys seen the overall look. I can't wait to start decorating. Super, super excited. So again, hopefully you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye.